guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. I am so excited about this video. Today we are cleaning the whole house all day long until the nighttime. So you're gonna get tons of cleaning motivation, you guys. Today was Sunday and I wanted to make sure that I can get the house cleaned and ready for the upcoming week. I like to do that so then I don't have to worry about it come Monday. Let me know in the comments below if you are cleaning with me today or if you're just hanging out and you have your coffee or your tea and you're just watching for motivation for later. So whenever I wash a load, I feel like this is my time that I can actually clean up the laundry room a little bit, wipe everything down, and kind of reorganize my products and put them away. If you're new to my channel, I do like to use this 7th generation laundry detergent. I try and use as much non-toxic products as I can, as many green products as I can, but I'm not 100%. But I feel like if I'm doing a little bit, that's better than not at all. So I do want to mention, if this is your first time hitting one of my videos, hi, my name is Lindsey. I'm a mama here on YouTube that like to just share motivational content to help inspire you guys to get things done and just do the best that you can. So we have a really positive community over here. I am so grateful for everybody that's a part of this community. And if you do enjoy this video, please consider subscribing and joining our family here on YouTube. We really have a great family here. And also go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments so I can see who you are and kind of get to know you. So right here, I noticed my husband already is trying to mess up our newly cleaned and decluttered closet. If you missed that video, I will link it down below, but I just decluttered this whole closet. I know it's easier said than done, but one of my goals this year is to try and keep our house as clutter-free as possible. So I am doing a giveaway in this video, which I will be announcing the details for that here in a little bit. So stay tuned. So to make things easier, I like to bring a garbage bag with me when I go around the house cleaning. It just makes it easier to have that bag right there and pick up the trash as I go. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, gorgeous. I wanted to mention, if you guys do enjoy this video and you find it very motivating, I would love it if you can share it with your friends and family, just in case they're in need and some extra motivation. It also helps me out a lot, so thank you ahead of time. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. So I was sent these little handy gloves to test out, so I've been using them while I clean lately just to see how I like them. So I am using the window cleaner of the E-Cloth. I am a huge fan of them. It's really nice because you don't have to spray any product. You just wet the towel, you clean the area, and then you go in with the second towel just to wipe it dry. And it's just nice because it's all green, it's non-toxic, and it actually cleans really well. So I do have a link in the description box if you want to check them out. You will not be sorry. I highly recommend their products. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden. So I did go ahead and get a new vacuum cleaner. It's one that I've been wanting for so long. I finally bought it. It is the Dyson V8 Animal, and so far I am loving it. It's just really nice to have something that's lightweight and that you can actually take apart and you can use it on couches, the stairs, in your car. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started
the change.
So since I got up early morning on Sunday and started filming this cleaning video, I still had to stop and get ready and go to church. So I ended up coming home from church and just finishing up the cleaning video. As you can see, my room is a complete disaster. So I needed to get everything picked up, cleaned up. I had bags of donations that still had to be dropped off. And we're just gonna get this room looking like a bedroom again.
Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past.
So these are actually clean clothes that someone set on the floor, so we are going to go ahead and put them away. So if you've been a part of my channel for a long time, you know I like the KonMari method. I have the book. I started following it about 3 years ago, and I'm not following it to a T. I always get sloppy with it, but it's a new year. I did just do a 7-day declutter challenge on Instagram, and I actually filmed it while I was doing it for Instagram. So I'm going to try and put it together and see if it will look like a good video for you guys. If you guys want to see it, I'm going to try and put it together and hopefully post that. But I did redo my drawers, and now they're looking nice and KonMari again.
There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past. We're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. We're riding on the dizzying high.
So this is a personal planner, and I've actually had one of these before. This is my very new one though. I absolutely love it. You guys get to design the planner however you want. So I'm actually giving a gift card away so you can get one of these personal planners and design it for yourself and start the new year off right. I will be picking one lucky winner to win this giveaway, so just go to the description box and see what the rules are, but you must be a subscriber here to my channel. It's going to be real simple, and I'm just really excited for one of you guys to be able to have one of these awesome planners. I absolutely love it. It is by far my favorite planner I've ever used. If you don't want to wait for the giveaway, I'll also have details in my description box for a 15% off code. So check the description box for all the details.
Last night we had something. Tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention. You just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet time when I'm near you. Reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart.
So before I vacuum, I like to shake out my rug and just get all the dirt and the dog hair and everything off of it onto the carpet so it's easy to vacuum up.
Then said you have found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you
So my husband rather be watching football on this day, but he was generous enough to help me with a few things around the house. So since this is a new vacuum, and I think this might have been even the first day I used it or the second day I used it, but I wanted to try out the different heads and kind of get a feel for what works best for what. So that's what I'm doing here.
talk to me, just talk to me, 'cause I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Everybody's been saying that you
So we are officially downstairs in the living room, and we have to clean up some of this mess here. We have old cardboard. We have boxes that I need to put away, things I need to throw away, and just get everything nice and clean.
to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I.
So I've also been using this 7th generation dishwashing soap, and I really, really like it. It cleans really well, and it doesn't leave any harsh soap residue behind, so I really like it.
Who you are, man down. He ran out of luck and now.
So I was FaceTiming with my mom and I was doing the dishes, so you might see her a little bit in the video. Hi, Mom.
Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky.
So in our coffee station area, this happens to be the catch-all space. I'm going to go ahead and go through some of the mail and clean this space up.
Dance the night away, I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty.
So right here I'm using the last bit of my 7th generation wipes. I really like these. They're non-toxic and they do an easy, fast job of cleaning up.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to.
So because these canisters are right next to my oven, I want to make sure I wipe them down as often as possible just because grease and food splatters and all that stuff gets on them. And you also want to make sure that you're wiping along your wall here because you're cooking in this area, so there's always a mess on the wall. Even if you don't see it, it's good to just wipe it down.
Baby, let your head down.
So I'm going to go ahead and use my stainless steel e-cloth. You guys, I really like this e-cloth. Like I mentioned before, when I use it, I literally don't have to clean my stainless steel for over a week. And that's with us touching and being in the kitchen and everything. It stays shiny for that long.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens
All right, you guys, I hope you got tons of motivation. This is going to conclude our video for today. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, comment down below and say hi, just so I know how you guys are doing. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.
Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion.